model, 2016 Peugeot Boxer Relay L3H2 2.0 HDI starts runs needs head gasket No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 118,969. MOT, the 17th of July 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 4 hp. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing, condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 4 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat N in 2023. Contact us, 015643346.